Hi, I'm David Shiner with the Shiner Law Group. And if you or someone you love has been hit by a big rig or an 18-wheeler right here in Florida, the next part that I'm about to say is key for you. So, sure, sometimes it's the driver that's responsible. Maybe they were speeding, distracted, or maybe they were behind the wheel for way too long. But the truth is, that's often just the beginning. See, at our firm, we dig deep. Deeper was the trucking company pushing the driver to meet impossible deadlines. That's a violation, by the way, of Florida law and federal law, the FMCSA. And that's very dangerous. And by the way, did the company fail to properly vet the driver? Under Florida statutes 316.302, trucking companies must follow very strict hiring, training, and compliance standards. And if they skipped it, well, guess what? That's negligence. Let me ask you all as well, was the cargo loaded incorrectly, making the truck unstable or too top heavy? That could mean that the shipping or the loading company also shares in responsibility for the crash. Or maybe the brakes failed because a maintenance crew cut corners. Florida law requires regular inspections and maintenance for all commercial vehicles. You may have seen those stops on the highway. Well, that's some of what we're talking about. And if that didn't happen, guess what? Someone's gonna be accountable and we're gonna hold them accountable. And here's something most people don't realize. Truck drivers aren't like everyday drivers. They're professionals with commercial driver's license. You ever see that CDL? That's what we're talking about. They're held to a higher legal standard and higher safety standards because of the size and of course the dangerous operation of the vehicles that they drive. In Florida, CDL holders must pass special written and skills exams and meet medical qualifications. They must also follow very strict federal rules. When a truck driver makes a mistake, it's not just carelessness. It could be a serious breach of duty under both state and federal law. Every detail will matter, and every responsible party needs to be held accountable. Here at Shiner Law Group, we don't just stop at the obvious. We investigate every angle, we uncover every mistake, and we fight to make sure that you and your family get the compensation that you truly deserve. When you need an aggressive personal injury lawyer to fight for you, you call us. Let us talk about your case, let us help fight for you, and get you the justice that you deserve.